We all know how important it is for somebody to have an incredible first experience with your community. It is probably one of the most important things in terms of whether or not they're gonna stick around. And yet, I'm gonna show you something that I got when I joined a community not on Mighty, and I was absolutely shocked at how bad this was. So this was a $997 a month community, $12,000 a year community. And I was like, you know what? I'm gonna give this a try. I'm an entrepreneur. I should actually be a member. And this is a screenshot of what I got. I got 8 different emails that were clearly all triggered by different systems and organizing to try to get me, a brand new member who just spent $997, into multiple systems. Crappy logistics are not going to build a successful private community. And when I went into this community, I went to all of those places because I did. It was a ghost town. I bet the 30-day money-back guarantee for this community is off the charts. There is a better way. Instead of focusing on mechanics, I want you to focus on value. What can you get a new member right away as their first win? So what does it mean conceptually to create a magical first experience? 3 things. Number 1, you want to eliminate friction. Every moment that someone has to take another step or go to a different system or like go check their email, you are risking losing them. And even if you don't, they're still distracted from the value that you are creating in your community. So you want to eliminate as much friction as possible, and there are many ways to do that. The second thing you want to do is you want to introduce them to another member as quickly as possible. You want them to have an amazing welcome experience from you and then get them into an activity feed or chat, or just go to the members page where they can explore who else is here and what do I have in common with them. And finally, add some surprise, add some delight. It's one of the reasons why we have found that the most successful automation, so the things that you can set up in advance, like if somebody joins, I want to do this, triggers and actions for those in the automations world. The most successful automation to convert people from new members to someone who comes back, confetti, badges, anything else you can do to surprise, delight, and reward a member. This is the way. Don't give them a bunch of logistics and rules and try to take them on a tour. You don't need to do that. You want to show them value before mechanics. Watch the video here to learn how.